The lightning spread of the new Omicron variant in the United States has driven daily COVID-19 new cases to a record high of over 510,000 on Monday. It is the highest single-day increase of cases since the onset of the pandemic in the country. The Omicron variant was first identified late last month in southern Africa. It has brought the total number of U.S. coronavirus cases to more than 53 million, with more than 820,000 deaths. The Omicron variant was estimated to account for 58.6% of coronavirus variants circulating in the United States for the week ending December 25. Some states have seen hospitalizations peak amid Omicron surge. The number of children hospitalized with COVID-19 is also rising. Over 7.5 million children have tested positive for COVID-19 since the onset of the pandemic in the United States, representing 1 in 10 American children.